Hardwood floors are an investment that are pretty important to protect. Up next, learn more.
Hardwood floors may be very attractive to homeowners. Hard surfaces may not trap dirt, dust, or allergens like other surfaces. They can be refinished multiple times before replacement. And keeping them clean may be quick and easy. But overall care is super important, as hardwood may be a major investment and should be protected accordingly.
I know it hasn't been too long, but remember when we were first searching for houses, we had a lot on our list of what we wanted, but the hardwood floor being up there in priority. We wanted a beautiful hardwood floor. Fortunately, we got it. We moved into a beautiful home that has that, and you don't want to just use any product to clean and keep these floors looking beautiful.
This is where Bona comes in. For nearly 100 years, Bona has established itself as a leader in the professional floor installation and renovation market. The Bona hardwood cleaning system provides a complete clean by gently and effectively removing dust, dirt, and grime.
And with us, we have 2 little kids and a couple of cats that are always tearing around here. And I remember when we first moved in, I actually called a guy in here and I'm like, you gotta come in here because I'm a clean freak and I need you to help me figure out how do we clean the grout in the tile floors and then how do we clean the hardwood floors. And he was walking around here and he's telling me about all these solutions and these steamers and these cleaners. I mean, let's go down and take a look at these. Because you'll see here, I mean, the shine, you never wanna lose the shine. You never want to use those harsh chemicals.
Right.
And people always say, oh, just mix the water and the vinegar, it's natural, it's good for you. And that works for certain things in the home, but not your floors.
DIY cleaners like vinegar and water may be too harsh and may damage the finish of hardwood floors. Then you have to worry that some cleaners may contain harsh chemicals that aren't good for your family, your floor, or the environment.
Other people might even just go to a shelf and, okay, this product looks good.
Yes.
They don't know how many harmful chemicals are in those products, but it's simple. When you're searching for a product to clean your hardwood floors, we'll look for the Green Guard Gold logo.
Yes.
It's certified, so you know it's not going to be harmful for the environment, for your home, for your hardwood floors, and that's what, the Bona products are all Green Guard Gold products, so you know you have a safe, quality product right there.
So, now that you know about the product, there are 4 quick and simple steps for your hardwood care. Step 1 is dust your floor first, as dust and dirt can scratch the finish.
The dusting pad is amazing. It's wide, it gets right into the corners.
It is.
And then follow that by the spraying.
Step 2 is to lightly mist the floor with the cleaner. The premium spray mop sprays the perfect amount of solution so as not to oversaturate your floors. Step 3 is to immediately wipe with a microfiber cleaning pad. And step 4, enjoy your floor. To find out more about Bona and their line of environmentally safe Green Guard Gold certified products, including their cleaners, mops, pads, and polishes, go to betterlivingtv.ca/Bona. You can also find them on social media or at ca.bona.com.